I had a contact reach out to me the other day and say, Tracy, LinkedIn is just not working for me. Can you help me? Can you look at my profile and see why? Well, the thing is, you need to do 5 things on LinkedIn to make it work. So I'm going to tell you what those 5 things are. And I knew for sure that they were probably missing one or more of those. So number 1, your profile has to be right. It has to be written with your ideal client in mind so that when people stop by it, because it's really like a shop window or a free website, they know what you do and who you do it for and how you can help them. Number 2, oh, by the way, this person's profile was really good. Number 2, you have to get your connection strategy right. So who's your ideal client? Who do you do business with at the moment? Who would you like to do business with? And start building your connections like that, sending out connections to those types of people. Don't just connect to anybody randomly. This person was not doing that. They were just connecting to anybody, but they didn't really have a strategy of connecting to their potential ideal clients. Number 3, post consistently and post what it is that you do as a business and how you can help others and how you add value. Now, you can put personal posts in there. Personal posts are great because people buy from people, but you also need to let people know what it is you do and how you add value. This person, I felt, was probably putting too much personal content out there and not enough what it is they do. Number 4, engage on the platform, engage with others. So engage with your potential clients, your existing clients, experts in your industry, and engage on their posts, add value on their posts. So I think that's really important. And the 5th one is reach out to your connections and start conversations. You can't just connect to someone and never speak to them. Send messages, send voice notes, send videos, start conversations. This person wasn't really doing that either. If you do all those 5 things, have the right profile, connect to the right people, have a good posting strategy where you add value and show people what it is you do. Also engage well on the platform with others and reach out to people and start conversations. If you're doing all those 5 things, LinkedIn will work for you after a period of time. You've got to be consistent with it, but it really will work for you. And I hope that helps you.
Thanks for watching. For more information, please contact us or visit our website. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more upcoming training videos.